Hi, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. In today's video, we're going to be doing grilled jalapeno popper hot dogs. Now let's go inside and get things started. Hi guys, we're inside at the Triple R kitchen. For today's ingredients, we're going to be using hot dog buns, sliced cheese, your all beef hot dogs, your jalapeno, and of course your mustard. And guys, don't forget, main ingredients, ice cold beer. So let's get things started. For your jalapenos, I cut off the cap, cut the front cap off. I split the jalapeno in the middle and just put it on the counter, and I just roll my knife and cut the veins off, push through, and then you'll have your jalapeno that is cored. And just repeat the same action on that to core it out. And you can use like a potato peeler or a knife, butter knife or something to core out. So there you have it there. So I have there everything in place there. So now that's what we're going to end up doing, is we're going to end up putting everything together. So that's why I went ahead and split the all beef hot dog bun. Split it, and all I do is going to grab my cheese, put it back together, and now I'm just going to slide my jalapeno back in there. Grab the other side, slide it in there. As you can see there, you have your jalapeno wrapped hot dog. So now, let's get them ready for the grill. Alright, we got our hot dogs ready for the grill. We got it on a medium heat, so this ain't going to be a long cook. The hot dogs pretty quick, so let's get them on the grill and get them going. Definitely want the jalapenos to get soft and get a little bit of a char on it. So we have them on there now. So now we'll probably do them good for about anywhere from about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll check on them and make sure the jalapenos are getting soft. All right. So we'll see when we come back. All right, here we are, guys. As you can see, we pulled the hot dogs off the grill. It was a pretty fast cook, probably about 10 minutes total time. So we got them plated up, as you can see. Final product. They're in the hot dog bun with chips, and the way I like to eat it is a little bit of mustard. And also have some leftover bacon from breakfast I can put on there. And that's what we're looking at. By all means, if you try this recipe, let us know on the comments. Hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. And you know what, guys? We'll see you next round.